friends, this is Bhaskar from JapaneseShiksha.com. Today we are going to learn about basic sentence patterns, verb patterns, expression, daily greetings, and numericals in Japanese language. Okay, let's go on. Okay, so generally the sentence which ends with this, okay, um, how do I get Watashi no namae wa Bhaskar desu. So these are like affirmative sentences, okay, is, am, are, something of that sort. uh, Something of like deva arimasen are negative or uh, negative sentences. Okay, it says that I am not this, I have not done that, something like that. So you could understand, right? This sen deva arimasen. So these are two different aspects of this language. Okay, deshta. Now deshta is what? Past. So three patterns you learned. One is this, which is affirmative statement. Deva arimasen is negative, and deshta is positive. Deva arimasen deshta. Similarly, what it will become? It will become I was not. I was not there in this place. So this is negative past. Okay. Ka. Okay. Again, interrogation or question. Anything when you have then there's a question attached to it will always end with a ka. Fine. Kudasai. It's polite request. Okay, correct. Okay, so probably okay. So one of the expectation I didn't talk about in this slide is that by this time you should have done this hiragana script very thoroughly, and probably you will have to write it down all the hiragana characters and then start practicing it on a daily or a regular basis. Otherwise, it will be very difficult going forward for you to understand what these characters are. So when I see it, I can make out, but you will probably not be able to make out. So that please start doing it. Okay? The assignments that I have given in the end of lecture one, where the hiragana script and the katakana script has been given to you. Take a printout of it. Start writing like this is what actually, so keep practicing. Okay, now comes verb patterns. So remember we did amega furimas in the previous lecture. So how if that furimas okay, uh, that changes and how it will become, it will mean different things. We'll see in this slide. uh, So, mas is something like it's a verb which says a present and future affirmative. Ashta amega forimas. It will rain tomorrow. It's a present tense, or it could be it's that particular sentence is future affirmative. But kyo ikimas. Kyo ikimas is I'll go today. मैं आज जाऊंगा. Okay. Then masen is negative future or present. Okay, same concept as previous slide. Okay, you noted that na des deva arimasen, so mas masen. Then mashta is something like that has happened in the past affirmative. Masen deshta is didn't or past negative. Masen deshta. Masho is let us, so let's meet at office tomorrow. So ashta kaisha hai ikimasho, let's go to office tomorrow. या फिर let's meet at office tomorrow would be ashta kaisha hai aimasho. Show is to let doing it together, let's do it together. Or then comes maska, again question, correct. We learned it in the last slide. Anything ending with ka is a question. Masenka is, it's a negative way of, or it's not one could a negative way, it's like won't you do this for me, so that is like masenka. So won't you give me this book, so that would be a negative question, negative form of a question, asking a question. Okay, and then mashtaka, it's a past and a question mark. Okay, masen deshtaka, it's a it's asking, and then again a negative, the negative, using the negative sentence pattern. Now what does it mean? What does it bring a difference here? Let's see. I, I didn't talk about this point actually. Politer than lesson numbers, there's 6. So Maska is like asking a direct question. Uh, will you give this book to me? And another way of asking the same question in English should be, won't you give this book to me? So there is a, you can see the note, the tone of the sentence. The second one is much more politer and a requesting mode, and the first one is bit blunt mode. So that's the difference between Maska and Masenka. Similarly, Mashtaka or Masendeshtaka. Okay, and Mashoka. Mashoka is again, why don't we meet tomorrow? Okay, again a politer form of Masho. Okay, understood up to this point? So let me know if you have understood in the comments box below. Then what do we write it here is okay, yeah, one important thing. So if you see, if you compare it with the hiragana chart, it would be looking like desu, right? This will be looking like masu. So when we write also in in English of these sentences, we would definitely write it as desu only. But while pronouncing, the su is actually devoiced. It's pronounced as su, mas, des. Okay, so not like desu or masu. Okay. Another one is the grammar particle va is an important topic pointer. It connects the subject and rest of the part of the sentence, and it's written as ha, but it's pronounced as va. Okay, and it tells that the word or the phrase preceding it is a topic of the sentence. So it contains the topic and the predicate of the sentence. Now there are some common expressions, and basically we are now, if you see, we have started to become much more difficult now, but that's how the language is. It will take you time, but if you gain this skill, it will stay with you if you keep practicing it. Okay, uh, so these are common expressions, that very common expressions. Let's start. Okay, okay, and then Hajime Masho. Okay, the first one, Hajime Masho. That's a kanji of it. So whenever we meet in the next lecture, we'll always say that Hajime Masho, and Owari Masho. That's like let's finish. So excuse me. So when we end this lecture, we will now say Owari Masho. Yasumi Masho is like let's take a break. Okay, we used to do a lot of usage of this word when we were learning. So we used to have 3 hours of classes each day, and used to take a break of for about one break in this 3 hours. So we started using this word quite often actually. Then Wakari Maska is asking a question. Did you understand? Do you understand? Then hi wakarimasu is something like yeah, I understand. Iie wakarimasen is something like no, I don't understand. Mo ichido, once more. Kekko desu. It's like okay, fine, good. So somebody asking you like, are you fine? Yeah, yeah, I'm fine. Kekko desu. Or Moichido. So if you have not understood something from my side, had it been a live class, we'll probably will come up with in after some time. You can ask me the Moichido onegai shimasu. So please repeat once more something like that. Okay, dame desu. Okay, dame desu is something which is forbidden. That's a wrong thing. So dame desu. Then namai. Okay, so that's a name. Shiken or shukudai is basically an examination or a homework. So Shukuda Yarimashitaka. Shukuda Yarimashitaka is what? Did you do your homework? Okay. Then Shitsumon, Otai, Rei. These also will be common things. So Shitsumon is there's a typo here. I'll correct it. Shitsumon is your question. Okay, answer is kotae. Re is example. In the assignment sheets you will find these things actually. So shitsumon is question, kotae re. So remember these kanjis also as you move along. Dozo hairi kudasai. Yeah, please enter the room. Then suwatte kudasai. Okay, please sit down. So these are some classroom expressions which we learned at the very beginning of this whole course. Now let's come to daily greetings. What does it say? Ohayo gozaimasu. Good morning. Ohayo gozaimasu. So remember that next time onwards I'll be using these greetings and you must understand what I talked about. Okay. So second one is konnichiwa. It's good afternoon or good day or something like that. Or it's written as good afternoon, but it's generally used for any greeting also. Okay. Konbanwa is good evening. Oyasumi nasai is good night. Sayonara is goodbye. Probably the most commonly known word. Okay, sayonara. Now, domo arigato gozaimasu. Okay, what does it mean? Thank you very much. Sumimasen. Excuse me, I'm sorry. So, again, very commonly used word. Sumimasen. Sumimasen. Onegai shimasu. Please do me a favor. Onegai shimasu. Next one is Mata Ashta Aimasho. It says let's meet again tomorrow. Okay. So what did we learn? Ohayo gozaimasu. Good morning. Konnichiwa. Good afternoon or good hello. Konbanwa. Good evening. Oyasumi nasai. Good night. Sayonara. Bye bye. Arigato gozaimasu. Domo arigato gozaimasu. Thank you very much. Sumimasen. Excuse me, I'm sorry. Onegai shimasu. Please do me a favor. Mata aimasho. Let's meet again tomorrow. So, guys, did you pronounce along with me? I hope you did. If you have not, let me read it out again. And you this time you must pronounce along with me. Okay. Ohayo gozaimasu. Konnichiwa. Konbanwa. Oyasumi nasai. Sayonara. Domo arigato gozaimasu. Sumimasen. Onegai shimasu. Mata aimasho. Okay? Okay. I hope you did pronounce along with me. Then comes Suji or numerals. Okay? 0 to 10 count or even more than that also. So first one is called 0. Again, keep pronouncing along with me, otherwise it will be very difficult for you to, it will take you a long time to learn the language. So keep pronouncing along with me. 0, re, maru. These are like 0. Ichi is first. Ni is second. Third is san. Yon, shi. Go, roku. Nana, shichi. Hachi. Kyu, ku. Ju, Juichi, Niju. Okay? This would be a bit tough. Again, there is no other way other than to remember it. You'll have to learn it by heart. There is no other way. Okay? 0, Ichi, Ni, San, Yon, Shi, Go, Roku, Nana, Shi, Hachi, Kyu, Ju, Juichi, Niju. Fine? So today we learned from 0 to 20. Okay, and this is how a big number is made from these elementary things. So ichi, ju, yaku is 100. Okay, goyaku is what? 500. Now 1000 is what? Isen. Gosen, 5000. Okay, so what you can see is that at 10th the pronunciation or the way of speaking the numerical is changing. At 100 it is changing. At 1000 it is again changing. At 10,000 it's again changing. It's called ichi man. Ichi is what? 1. Man is what? 10,000. Goman is what? 50,000. And then Juman is what? 100,000. Gojuman is what? 500,000. Hyakuman. So from 10,000 it is not changing. It's up to 1 crore, I believe. Oku. But up to this number, Isen man is all same. Yaku man, Isen man, 1000 man, 1000, 10,000. Okay. Then Ichi Oku. Ichi Oku is what? Unit in 100,000, 10,000. Oh my god, it's a big number. Okay. I think it's 1 million or something like that. 10 million. Okay, so that brings to our end of this lecture, and I hope you liked it. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so and put out your comments. How do you like it? I'll get a lot of feedback from that, and definitely will keep on improving from here. Thank you. Owarimasho, Mata Aimasho. Okay, Owarimasho is what? Let's finish. Mata Aimasho is let's meet again tomorrow. Mata Aimasho. Owarimasho. Okay? Kekko desu ka? Hai, kekko desu. Thank you. Bye bye. Not sayonara. Sayonara is like goodbye. That's being said at the end of a journey. Yeah, mata aimashou. Okay, bye bye.